Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vishal. So good morning for everyone. So this is guys special strategy for November 5. You can read here United States the election time. What is going on in the market? What we can see. One thing guys, if we want this guy and we can see the market totally upside. If she won, I think I can crash. I can see in the market crash. Maybe we don't know. But the one strategy is working here. It's a simple things. I just will show you just a little bit. Just close it a little bit. One of the simple things, guys, here. If you see the market in a range, its highest level is 2073,800. This is the highest level here. And when I see every moment, market is down, market is downside, right? So if I see the market is downside with a 5%, right now it's upside, we can see in a moments. This is the biggest support level 66,505. If still have holding this one before 5 November, this level. Do you see this one? 66,500, maybe a little bit downside. We can see the market outside 73, 74, maybe it will be break that level 80 will cross and 100 will cross also. So this is the upside level here. It's all about the elections also, but the little things here. But see this, see exact point here. What is exactly here? So fake breakout, buying here, fake breakout, right? So one of the reasons simple, we can see the little bit crash downside. Yeah, like this will happen here in the market, this like this maybe. So what we need to see is the best time to selling right now this area, because you can keep the small stop loss here. And if you don't want to sell right now, so you can sell from 60 69 900. And but right now if you sell, you can capture the bigger move and then go downside. But here it's a bigger selling, guys. Did you see here? It's everyone buying from this area, right? And then see the crashing, like very good crash. And see here everyone buying here, and I just accept this one crash. I said I just accept this one, maybe, but not definitely. But the it's, it's my analysis here. It will work. It will work for us, right? And second things, when they break that level here, 66,500, buying here, make W pattern, right? And everyone say like, market will go up, but still crash. So this is the biggest level here, 66,500. If it still have upside before 5 November, then we can see upside in the market. But if break that level is downside, guys. So this very difficult to, we have to keep buying, no, but the selling, right? So other one is target. We can wait for retesting. I don't know, maybe the retest or not, but this totally we can see the this like a candle here. We will see this one. We can see also same here, and then we can keep our trade like a 59, then 54, and when it's 5 November, like here maybe market, and then you see the crash like this, grab the liquidity, everything's from downside, then we can see also. But it's possibility if it's break that level here, 54, this one level, it will be break the this level, definitely not holding here, because every liquidity grab from every SL and every liquidity is going market this shoot up. So this is the possibility here. This is possibility, so we have to wait for a 5 November in election time, and then you make strategy, your own strategy here, and what is exactly in your strategy, then we have to do, guys, and go with gold right now. This is the BTC. What we have a strategy, you can take the picture here and see simple logic, guys. Crash this area 66,500. This is the biggest support and resistance, also both of support and resistance, but right now it's support level. If still have upside the market before 5 November, then we have to see upside corrections. But the things is right now we have to keep selling because we can keep small SL, and then we can make the bigger move. We can capture the bigger move from this one area, right? Go with gold. Gold is totally upside. It's make every time new high, every time new high, right? You did see this one here. This is every time here new high. Okay, guys. So what is exactly in your gold right now? It's simple, guys. Simple logic here. Depends. It's not about depends who is winning here, who's won, ladies and him, right? So the simple logic I already explained here. This is the trend line, right? You can see this is clearly we can see the trend line. But the things is the biggest moment we can capture and trade this one area. We have accepted this from maybe corrections very big 60-39 maybe, and this is the biggest support level right now because the market is still going craziest movement upside here this area. And see this one, if it's go market like this, like this, it's fine. We can see the everything is a buyer. It's heavily here. You see this one as market is going with trading like that. So every movement have lots of seller pressure here. Because when they move upside and every have a seller here, when they move upside, every have a seller here. So one thing is common. We need to keep selling also here, right? So we have a two bigger support and resistance level here. This is the resistance level upside. We don't want to break that level, and we have this one support level here. If you sell right now, that's good for you. You have to sell right now, and because of we can keep our small SL behind this area, right? This area, and then we can drop here. If break one things we can think here 2682 because there is a red trend line. We will retest again and then downside. This is the level. We have to wait for election time, 5 of November. If still have upside market, we have to break out that one level first of all. Just wait. This one level. If we break this one level, downside, this one, 27 level before election, then we can face downside market, right? Easily you can see this is totally uptrend market. We don't want to be, but right now we can focus on selling right now. This area it's totally upside, guys. There's one things maybe like a 27 80 86 and then crash again, right? And if still hold here, then market can go 28 level also, right? So there's two reason here easily. 2758 level is the highest resistance level. If break that level and holding here, this area 56 level, 56 and 60 level, and we can see the market upside, right? But if still have downside here, then we can hold our trade till 2680 level, right? And we have to wait like this and retesting the same area and then continuously downside. But this is our strategy, and after 5 November we can keep selling if break that level 27,800, 27,800. And if break downside and we just wait, we have to close our trade once a time and then keep selling. There's the area. Okay, same thing here, and same thing also BTC. If you use this one BTC here, this is clear picture. If you see this one, so this is guys clear picture here. If you're judging the BTC level, so it's depend on election also after 5 November. And right now we can see the corrections is a bigger correction in this week. So see guys, this is exactly head and shoulder also on top this same things here also, but still have upside. We don't want to judge the market, but still have 67,500 upside. But the level is, we have to break the level this one and continuously downside. So I hope you understand this video, the strategies for election strategy. And if we capture this moment, it's a bigger move for downside. But if you capture upside, we can capture also bigger move upside also. If you know simple things, guys. Yesterday it didn't break. In this last week news, it didn't break the level because you know simple logic. When they break the flag, exactly, you already break the flag, right? This is exact here. This is totally flag here. See, if I draw here like this, till not break. So this is like flag. So market is going like this. This is break. It's already break, right? But if they break the level, it will be go like this, it's continuously upside. But till he holding here, something is wrong, right? So maybe the after election, maybe the before elections, but still holding here, right? So let's see. We'll have a keeping sailing here, and then first target will be here 63 500, and wait for elections break out that level and continuously selling. I think it did not give us this chance. Maybe hold here, it's continuously drop like this. But let's see. But keep your selling one position sale, and when they break that level upside 69 900 again, once a time, and it possibles to reach that level 74 200, and 74 200 if break that level, it's shoot up the market maybe 92 80 like this. To make sure it's totally holding your market, still have a buyers, it's a heavy guys, but it's still what I see here exactly is going like bigger crash, buyers coming, bigger crash, buyers coming, bigger crash, buyer coming, maybe the same things also again, and liquidity grab. You just see this one, every situations when they break that level, support level, bigger support level, this support level here also, liquidity grab, right? This one see here also, this support level before I have support level, this one liquidity grab, support level liquidity grab. I hope I just this one also, maybe it's all, it can work also again, maybe the liquidity grab again also. And see here, this is the same here also, this is support level, right? This is our support level, every support level is judging, and every support level breakout and liquidity grab also. And this is the first support level, very, see this one, and this is the support level maybe, and small liquidity grab also here, see, liquidity grab also. So every moment will break the level, liquidity grab, so going market up, and still have downside the pattern here, but this time it's break their level. Everyone says like it's break, totally break, it's going market up, right? But till not, still holding here, right? So something is wrong, uh maybe after elections we can see, but we can hold our trade. But it is the focus on little more selling, guys. It's maybe 5 November elections, and then we can see move in BTC and gold and other also. And next things, oil. It's all totally upside. I already posted in Twitter. You can go there. Everything is free. But it did not break the level. I think I just wait for 73 74 level, but till not break this one. But we have to wait for this support level again here. If break that one level, guys, market can reach downside. But if you see, if I see here, this is exact trend line, and it is retesting, retreat, and already break that trend line and fake breakout upside. But till have right now to have to buy this trend line, and if it's break that's downside, it will be cross maybe 65 level easily. So we just draw the bigger support level and bigger resistance level. So this two level here, if still have inside the market, maybe the bigger move we can capture from here, bigger seller we can capture from this area. So one thing is still have respect this trend line here and see this, it will be go maybe break that 74 level, and you're retesting this one level 74, maybe it's possible, right? And next year, I will show you Tesla. It's very good pumping yesterday. Where is that? It's Tesla here. Good pumping, guys. So this is gap up market to, and see this is the biggest support and resistance, big support level here. And I already posted in Twitter. You can go check it out there. And one thing's guys, simple. Tesla have a good um, to trade and good to investment. When they see the downside movement and all the times see the bigger gap up, right? Just you have to keep the buying here. This is the bigger here uh, resistance level. Keep this like this. Okay. So if break that level, I accept the other level, maybe upside. This is other level here. This year maybe can we reach the 300. Maybe you can see here W pattern. This is the bigger W pattern here, right? So we can see like this area, and if don't, like again, we'll go like this, right? So it's possible, and you have to close your trade because every moment you have to close the trade because next time we don't know, maybe Tesla will open gap down and then reach the level 300 maybe. Let's see. Next week we can do, but next week if I see this moment, it's a bigger gap up, right? You see this one here, it's going to very good craziest moment and then see the gap up downside, the same levels continuously hit the level going downside, it will both like this, right? So of course we can see the target at 2290 and 271's 80 level. Easily we can go there, we can reach there, right? So I hope guys you understand what is our strategies for election. It will work, it will work for us. And you can go with the Twitter guys, and we posted everything there, and what we follow, what we give our signal here. You can go with Twitter here and then check it out. This is the Twitter, and check it out our signals because we provide everything here. You just go here, and this is exactly, this is Ethereum. I already posted here also in the morning, and this is gold. This is gold here. I here already posted, and this is BTC. This pattern is totally trap here. Breakout didn't break this flag. Maybe it will break this level 62, and we can reach. We can testing from here. This is Euro USD. Yesterday I already posted, and this is Tesla, which is I posted here. This is gold. Before I posted this, this is Nifty, right? And this is Bank Nifty. This is VTC with the last week, and this is good, right? 2744. I just from buy from there, and then we reach our target. Look at here. This is the target here. We reach our target easily, and after he crashed the market, right? And second things, this is first entry, then moment upside. And second, right? So everything is free here, guys. I hope you see this one entry here, right? I'm buying entry here, seller. See, sale. I just give this one before BTC and see the result here. Bigger candle in 5 minutes. See, this is the oil, guys. I just give this one before signal here. I will show you where is this. This is here. See, this is here, and everything is free for every. Look at here. This will achieve. Look at, right. So I hope you go with Twitter and check it out. Lots of things. Everything is free. Thank you so much, guys. See you in next video. Thank you so much.